Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Microsoft Store error code 0x00000005 in Windows 11. First method is right-click Start button, click Run. Type WSreset. Second method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Stop Windows Update Service. Right-click Start button, click Run. Delete all files and folders. Stop Windows Update Service. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.